Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make Lemon Bear Cupcake using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the white color and mold it into a ball shape. Put the ball onto your working surface and press it down to make it into a dome. Moving on to creating the ears, here I have two balls of white clay which I am going to pinch into the shape of an ear. Next, take a ball tool and make ear dents. For the face, I first made a small oval using white clay again. Then attach ears and oval to the dome. Since we have a lemon bear cupcake, you can use yellow chalk pastel and paint it over. Also, use pink chalk pastel for painting the ear dents. To give my lemon bear some texture, I am going to be using the back of my needle tool and gently patting this all over the surface of the cupcake. Next, you need a piece of bright yellow clay, which you'll shape into the cupcake base. I am using my needle tool to make the indents. At this point, we are going to attach the head of the bear to the cupcake base. For the face, make a small nose out of brown clay, and then you can make and attach two balls of black clay for the eyes. Also, two balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes. To make the frosting, I am taking some white clay, rolling it and making it into a swirl. I shape this swirl into a nice peak on the top of the bear's head. Next, take a small piece of yellow clay, roll it into a ball and slightly pinch the edges to make a lemon. Place the finished lemon on the top of the frosting. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I made cheeks using a pink marker pen and added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished lemon bear cupcake looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!